Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, lived three young brothers, Leo, Finn, and Max. They were sparrows who loved to sing and play. But there was one problem. They always argued. Leo wanted to build their nest on the tall oak tree. Finn preferred the pine tree, while Max liked the willow by the river. Every day they fought and refused to help each other. One morning, their mother watched them argue again. She sighed and said, "My dear sons, come here. I have something to show you." She brought out a bundle of small sticks tied together with grass. "Try to break this," she said. Leo tried first, pushing hard with his wings, but the sticks wouldn't break. Finn and Max tried too, but the bundle stayed firm. Then their mother untied the bundle and handed them one stick each. "Now, try again." Snap, snap, snap. The sticks broke easily. Mother Sparrow looked at them kindly. "Do you see? Alone, each stick is weak, but together they are strong. If you stay united, no wind or storm can harm you. But if you keep fighting, you'll fall apart like these sticks." The brothers finally understood. From that day on, they worked together to build their nest. Leo collected dry grass, Finn gathered twigs, and Max found soft feathers. When a strong storm came one night, their nest stood firm while others were blown away. The brothers hugged each other and chirped happily. Together we're stronger. Moral: unity is strength. When we work together, we can overcome any challenge.